Hello everyone and welcome to Road to Rust. Now this week me and Colin are driving all the way up the M25 to go and buy another old project car. This one isn't really a project, it's kind of ready to go. It's been sitting up for quite a while. It is in a terrible state and everyone is going to love when I drive that back down the motorway. Let's go, head over there now and see what I have rescued. So we have arrived, but there is a slight hitch. Before we came down here about a week ago, I messaged the owner and I asked for the number plate of the car because I was going to order them online and then get them sent down. Well, me being me, I forgot to do that bit. So now we've got the logbook and we've got to drive out to Halfords or wherever to get some new number plates made up before we can drive it away. And the sunlight's fading and I need to get it back home in time to make my pre-booked MOT. So will I make it in time or will I get pulled over?
The gate's not opening, so I don't think we're going anywhere.
So no, I don't think, I'm not having a very good time.
Oh, it's actually not, is it?
No.
Mate, should we just go home?
Yeah, well we can't, we can't get out. Can I get out that way?
I don't know.
I don't know, right, okay. Well, anyway, see you in a minute when hopefully we manage to get some plates. Now we've finished wasting our time, I can reveal that the car that I have saved this week is it's another Citroen Xantia. Now, you're probably thinking, why are you buying all of these Xantias? You know, this will be the second or third one. There's another one there. I'm not rescuing that one, but this one has been left up for the last 4 years and I'm driving it home in this condition. Now, as you can see, it's been left here for a very long time and it is my hope that it starts. I've bought a battery, I'm told that the thing runs, so I just have to hope that it does actually do what it says on the tin. I'm a bit buggered if not because I've already paid for it, but let's go and put the bonnet up. I can show you, beautiful 2-litre HDI Citroen diesel engine in it. It doesn't seem too bad. It's a bit mossy over there though, isn't it? So this is a 2-litre HDI, Colin. What do you think?
It's filthy, mate.
Says you, wiping all the snot off your face. You absolutely disgust me. Go away. I think that this isn't so bad so far. It's filthy, it needs clean. I'm really worried that I'm going to get pulled over, but no, I think saving old cars is more important than the comments I'm going to get. So let's put a battery on. Here's one I bought earlier and we will see if it starts. Well, it sparks, so there is life. Bang! I honestly hate you so much.
Okay, so it's now the moment of truth. We've put a new battery on. Is the Citroen going to start on the button?
It's got power.
Has it?
It's alive. I'm going to let the glow plug warm up for a minute.
What lights have you got on the dash?
All of them.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Okay.
Hang on, let me get back round the front.
Yeah.
I want to see what the engine does as you turn it over.
Oh, it's got that traffic lights, I think. Right. So I just fire it up.
Got it. 3, 2, 1. Shut up! Shut up! You are kidding me. When was the last time that was started?
It up about 4 years ago. They dragged it here. Out the foot.
Oh my god. It actually sounds really good.
Right, so
157, is it going up?
film it and see if it rises.
No.
It is just started. It's funny because you imagine it.
Why are they so
No, it is.
slow? Is it?
Going.
Oh yeah, it's going, it's going.
No way.
Wow. I'm actually... Is that door not shutting? Oh, that's fine, it's fine. Sticky lock. Well,
it
mate,
actually runs.
that's impressive. That is very impressive.
So what do I do with it now? Well, I suppose I've got to put its actual number plate. So
Yeah, we need to stick number plates on. We need to find out if it's actually going to move
I
because
should hide you so people can't reg check it and go, oh, you drove a car that was 4 years out of MOT. Well, I did.
oh, hang on, this isn't the actual number
Shoot.
plate, is it?
No,
Is that his private one?
that's an old private one. Yeah.
Right, so that doesn't come with the car.
No, that doesn't come with the car. This
Right.
is the one that comes with the car. So, if I just stick it
Stick it over the top. I
stick
think you've
that
got more
over the
chance
top.
of that staying on then. Yeah. Right, guys, we're going to get the number plates on and we're
Yes.
going to see if it actually drives out of where it's been sat for the last 4 years. Okay, so both number plates are now on the car. It is time to see if the Citroen... Oh, it is moving. It's moving already. Well, there it goes. Okay. Well, that's good. That's good. It's moving. So I'm quite surprised actually that the tyres are still pumped up as well. Oh, we stopped for some reason. Why we stopped? There we go. That is actually quite impressive.
Get in, loser!
I'll be honest, I'm a little bit surprised that moved so easy.
It smells like hospital. Ooh. Which is where I'm going to end up when something goes wrong.
God.
Right. You
Okay.
ready?
Yeah, I think so.
Oh shit, the wiper doesn't work.
Oh no!
Brilliant, let's go home.
Oh my God, mate. This is
Oh God, and that accelerator pedal, when you take your foot off, it sort of really slowly comes back up. Oh God, I hope I'm going to make it home tonight. I've got a family that likes me.
Mate, you can't. Now slow down because I only got my seatbelt on and I can't see out the bloody window.
We are actually on private land.
Yeah, we should
so
actually state that we are on private land at the moment, so we can drive this car
we'll
around.
be on
like this.
private land for the rest of the drive home. I cannot see.
I'm going to be driving your BX home. You're
And I'm
going to
going to
be
be
risking it.
crying in this.
You're a brave man, I'll give you that. Let's go see if it go off road.
Should we go off road?
Yeah, go a little bit off
You
road.
did say we'd get stuck. Probably will
If
get
you get stuck in this field,
No,
I'm
no,
going to
no, I
absolutely
can
piss
already see
myself.
that's gonna
Yeah, it's
happen.
quite
I'm not
buggy,
doing
isn't it? Well, it moves,
Well, I
it
think
drives.
that so far-
I think we might be on a winner here.
Yeah, I think so far this is all right.
Yeah. Should we go back up to David's and give the windscreen?
Yeah, let's-
Because I don't think we're going to be able to. Oh, hang on.
When I accelerate, my stoplight comes
Oh,
on
yeah.
as well.
I think David said something about the window. It just needs tightening up, doesn't it? The
What,
wiper.
the wipers?
Yeah.
it looks that way.
It
but
just
they,
needs the bolt
They
tightening
don't
up.
really do very much else.
No.
Well, this is going to be a fun drive.
It is, isn't it?
The
Right.
lights at least will work.
I don't know. Let's get back up the
Yeah,
top,
yeah.
give it a once over, and then we'll see if we can maybe get it home.
This might be the way we have to clean the windows now. Do it. Yeah. Well, that's what is coming out of there. Looks brown. Look, it's brown. That's just, yeah. Oh my God! Right. Do not touch me with that. That's so disgusting. So I've got a little bit of a problem here, which is that this has got a broken valve stem and it's actually wedged in here with a stone. So look, if you take it off.
Yeah, that's not good, is
Yeah,
it?
no, that's no good. So we're gonna have to take the wheel off. Oh God, it's still going. It doesn't really matter though because I take it off. But yeah, so we've got to take this off now, put the spare on, and then hope that the spare's all right. Because otherwise I'm going to have to pump the spare. Oh, see, this is going to be one of those days. Right, let's do this. So,
It was always looked after. It's only because it's been parked.
Yeah.
it's not too bad. In fact, I think that there's... That's okay. No, that's the trim.
LHM line there's
What?
a little bit. Oh,
That's
mate.
just... That's an...
Sorry, David. Don't touch it too much.
That's an advisory.
Ooh.
And that is it. We've got the wipers going a bit. They're sort of held together as best as they can be at the moment, but need to get some diesel, and she is good to drive home. Well, let's hope I don't end up in a prison cell. Let's go. And now
BX.
Colin gets in that and follows me back home. It is time to go, and if I'm honest, I'm feeling quite terrified. I've got Colin following behind me, so if anything goes wrong, he can just pull over and laugh, but here we go. taking the Xantia away from the car graveyard for the last time. It's another one saved. Let's get it back. Oh, I don't like doing this. Right, so we've just stopped over to get some fuel. What a beautiful car.
You can actually see it.
Look at this. It worked. It was not working earlier. How satisfying. Have a go with... Oh, yeah. That's a broken one.
Do you
Look,
know
that's what
what?
it's meant to do, Colin.
It still works though, look.
It still works, just the same. It's been a long drive home and we're still not there yet. As you can see, it's pitch black. Me and Colin have pulled in at Smith and Weston in the shit boxes for a spot of grub. God knows what we're ordering. Haven't been here for years. Anyway, I'm gonna go stuff my face. We are back home now. We've just stuffed our faces. And I know he's desperate to drive the old thing. So, Colin, would you like to do the honours? It's a sauna. That's running cold for my liking, yeah. It drove all right, you know. I'm glad we took it back in the dark. I think there would have been way too many people wondering what the hell was going on if I did that in the middle of the day. Go on, let's see how much talent you've got. Can you park a car? God, look how much it's sat down on the back now Colin's got in it. It's struggling to raise itself back up with all the added weight. They can only take about half a ton. Okay, so the old Citroen is now back in its home for the next God knows how long until I manage to sort it out. So from me and Colin, what are you doing? He's looking at LHM.
Oh, that's, mate, that's...
Thank you very much for watching. I will see you next week. Please make sure that you like and subscribe to the channel for more. If you haven't already, what the hell is your problem?
That ain't fucking green.
We're going to squirt something in my face. This is my outro ruined. There's nothing in it. Oh.
That is not LHM.
What is that?
No. It's definitely not LHM.
Looks like piss. What is it?